How to schedule a meeting in Microsoft Teams. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. In this video, I'll show you how to schedule a meeting in Microsoft Teams step by step. So first, open up your Microsoft Teams. And then on the left hand side, you will see various options. Just tap on the calendar. And then, for example, if you want to set a meeting for Friday for 11 a.m., then go to Friday and then tap on the blank space of 11 a.m. So now here you can add the title of the meeting, and then you can put in the date, you can put in the time, and then you can put in the people that you want to invite. You can set if you want to repeat it or not, and then add the details of the meeting and then hit save. And there you can see now you have scheduled the meeting for Friday. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.